My lovely Scorpions, welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Scorpions, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of June 2025. Please note that it's a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So, just take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? You would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. Also, guys, if any of this is your story, if any of this resonates with you, do give the video a thumbs up, drop comments, share your experiences, and last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So guys, while pre-shuffling, very very different messages were coming through. It took me some time to interpret some of the messages, okay? Like for example, there was 10 of swords in reverse and emperor. Now I till now even now I am not able to understand what the emperor is about, but there are few things that are coming to my mind. One is, someone is actually going through some sort of some sort of some situation, some painful incident. It's not over yet, you're still going through it, and it's like hurting a lot. It's at the peak of hurting, okay? So it's very hurtful, it's not over yet, very very flared up situation kind of a thing. For some of you guys, you might be experiencing acute back pain and you might be seeing a doctor, okay? You might be undergoing physiotherapy is what I'm getting for someone out there specifically, okay? Someone out there, another combination that came was a world card along with six of pentacles. Now there are a couple of things that are coming to my mind. One is someone might have invested, or someone out there is investing heavily in stocks or mutual funds, okay? That is coming through very clearly for someone out there. And for someone specific, you might have invested in an international trip, okay? Like you might either you or someone else, because see, six of pentacles is about money, give and take of money, any sort of financial transaction balance. World card also indicates travel or across the globe kind of a situation, and I feel that you have either invested already, you have made the bookings, maybe you are traveling, or you are investing money and time to go and see someone, or vice versa, like someone is investing time and money to come and see you, but the situation, or the transition is across the globe, okay? Like literally overseas travel with lot of money involved, lot of everything has been expensive in when it comes to this travel, okay? That's what I'm getting for some of you guys. Some of you guys might be going through karmic lessons, karmic events, okay, which involves money, like you might have lost money all of a sudden and you don't know why. Why these heavy losses. The reason could be in your past lifetime. We might be trying to figure out in this lifetime, but no, we don't know the reason. It's in the past lifetime. This has happened to someone really really close to me, so that's why I see. Or maybe someone who is staying abroad, whom you had helped a couple of years ago, might come and return your money, okay? That could also be the case. Scorpions, like I said, very very different and unusual messages were coming through. Some of you guys, you are, someone's kind of wishes are coming true, okay? Like literally all that you had dreamt of up until now, it's all of a sudden coming true is what I was getting for someone out there. Yeah. I think I spoke a lot. I wanted to keep the pre-shuffling bit a little shorter, but yeah, couldn't help, guys. I'm so sorry. Wow. Hmm. Same message is repeated over here. See, definitely overseas travel. Definitely. Now I'm very sure of what I was talking about. I'm very sure of what I was talking about. Anyway, your health card is showing up as Lover's card. It's a Gemini energy. Now it's all about, I mean, one message that is coming through straight away is like someone is having some sort of couple goals, like you as a unit, you maybe as your, you along with your partner or your boyfriend, girlfriend, spouse, husband, wife, whatever, matlab, you are together having some fitness goals and you are working towards them, okay. And maybe some of you guys might have met his or her soulmate or have fallen in love, and you guys are, wanting to get fitter now, like you want to look best. Maybe marriage is on the cards for someone out there, and because there is four of wands card also here in your overall energy, and you are literally, you have certain fitness goals for yourself till the big, before the big day arrives, okay. So that's what I'm getting very very strongly over here. Others, you guys are probably you guys are working in partnership with someone, like maybe you have hired a personal trainer, maybe you have hired a nutritionist, okay, maybe you have hired a dietitian, okay, but you are working in or under guidance of someone is what I'm getting. It's a teamwork, that's what I'm getting in terms of your fitness, okay. Like, definitely, I mean, what I'm trying to tell you is, I do not see someone working out in silos. You're teaming up with someone. It could be your friend, it could be a sibling, it could be your partner, okay? But it's a team goal. That's what I'm seeing over here. Teamwork is what I'm seeing over here, okay? In terms of health and fitness. Nothing alarming is coming through. In fact, if nothing, a very, very motivating energy is coming through your health card, guys. You are quite cautious about your health, you're quite aware of your health and fitness regime, and you have taken health quite seriously is what I am seeing, and which is a very good, good thing to know. Gemini energy coming through over here, need not be, but strong Gemini energy coming through. You might have Gemini in your birth chart, or you might be dealing with a fellow Gemini, okay. But yeah, so for someone out there, it could be you might meet your person at the place where you're working out, okay. Love might bloom at your gym, okay. While you guys are working out together, you might just fall in love, okay. That's also one possibility. Now see, do not bash me for this, but I'm just kind of telling you the possibilities or the messages that are coming to my mind when I'm seeing this card, okay. If it doesn't make sense to you, just leave it, okay. Just leave it, ignore it. It's a collective reading, okay. Anyway, moving on to your I absolutely didn't like this. Your career slash finances card has shown up as seven of swords. Now seven of swords is all about a very, this energy, this card is bringing in lot of sneaky, like really really sneaky energy, like you cannot trust anybody kind of an energy, okay. Please be very mindful when it comes to your workplace or when it comes to your finances. Do not trust unknown sources, or even for that matter known people, okay. Because even especially at workplace, you really don't know how someone can take or turn things against you, okay. You might just harmlessly say or share something, and that might be used against you, okay. You never know. That happens. That has happened to me at my workplace. So just be very very mindful, because very very negative energy is coming through the seven of swords. Be very very vigilant, be very very alert, and play smartly is what I'll say, okay. If you are investing in stocks, or if you are investing in stock market, do not just blindly trust anyone or take someone's advices blindly. Make sure you are doing your own research, make sure that you are using your knowledge, your resources, okay, your homework, okay, in making that investment, okay. Like I said, that world card along with six of pentacles, it's a very unusual kind of energy, and I still cannot decipher it completely, but definitely money is involved when it comes to your energy, guys, Scorpion. So be very very careful when it comes to your career slash finances. It's your hard earned money. Make sure that you are not falling into any trap, okay. So yeah, a word of caution is what is all I'll say when it comes to your career slash finances, okay. I'm not scaring you off, but yeah, that's the intent of tarot, that it alerts you and it gives you that opportunity to make things right, if the things have not already happened. So if you are in that zone, please be mindful, okay? Star card, 10 of swords, and page of wands. Like, I am very sure someone is having back pain. I am very very sure about this thing, okay? uh, like acute back pain, and you are someone out there is kind of healing over it, okay? You are literally undergoing some treatment for your back pain, is what I'm getting, in which case I wish you a speedy recovery, whoever this is, this is resonating with. I really wish you a speedy recovery. Make sure you're paying attention to your posture, ergonomics, okay? You're training under the physiotherapist and doing all the exercises very religiously, because I know back pain, you have to do the physio exercises. There is no way out, okay? So you make sure you're taking enough time to heal, okay? For other group of people, I feel, and it really hurts, it's really hurting, because someone has actually backstabbed you, scorpions, and someone whom you had not expected, someone whom you trusted a lot has actually backstabbed you, and it's really really hurting, is what I'm getting. 3 of swords, 10 of swords, showing both in the reading at the same time amplifies the intensity of whatever I'm saying, okay? It's like very very hurtful, and I'm sure it's going to take you some time to get over this. But Aquarian energy, like I said, is a major arcana. It's a star card is a major arcana, I meant, and it's about healing. So yeah, be good to yourself, be gentle to yourself, see what lessons you had to learn. Maybe the lesson is not to trust anyone blindly, maybe to rely on our own self. If you're going through a lot of back pain, maybe it's the lesson is that you have ignored your health for quite some time, and it's a wake up call, okay? That health should be put first more than anything else, okay? So whatever it is, make sure you're learning your lessons, and allowing yourself to heal. Now whatever has happened, it can't be undone, but you can take precautions that the things don't get repeated in the future, okay? Page of wands is telling me that you might receive an unexpected message, phone call, some communication about something from someone, very very in a very unexpected manner at an unexpected time, okay? If at all you receive any such communication that literally took you by surprise, do let me know through comment section. Maybe couple of weeks, or a month or two down the line after you see this reading, but something which is very significant, because that's what this page is indicating, okay? And something that is going to excite you. This message is going to be something that is like make you go really wow, that kind of message is what I'm getting. Oh my god, guys, for some of you guys, definitely marriage is on cards, and uh, overseas travel is for sure on cards. I am very sure about that. The world card, along with 6 of Pentacles that I spoke about during pre-shuffling energy, is confirmed by this 8 of Wands, okay? Definitely someone is traveling overseas, or you have already traveled overseas. I don't know when you're watching this reading, but overseas travel for sure. Some of you guys, your partner or your soulmate could be from a geographically different location, and you guys might to travel considerably to see each other, is what I'm getting. Some of you guys might even relocate, is what I'm getting, okay? Relocation also. You guys might travel to attend someone else's wedding function, engagement is also what I'm getting. But travel for sure. Oh yeah, this could be an invitation as well, okay? This page could be an invitation, someone's wedding invitation, someone's house warming ceremony invitation, engagement invitation, or it could be you who is kind of going to surprise someone with your news, okay? But yeah, this page is definitely going to bring in new good news, and it is going to involve travel. By the way, expect a lot of communication happening in the coming weeks slash months, okay? Lot of communication, lot of mails, phone calls exchanged, lot of travel happening, okay? Communication in whichever shape and form that you can think of, okay? 8 of Cups, yeah, someone need to walk away from something. I feel that this is this energy. 3 of Swords and 10 of Swords, like something really difficult has happened for to someone or with someone, and it's going to take you a lot of courage and lot of determination to detach is what I'm getting. Okay, whatever this situation was, it was extremely hurtful, and it's going to make you, or it's going to take you a conscious effort to walk away from it. And it's going to be an emotional war is what I would say. Okay, maybe you guys would opt for work, like a lot of work to get over it. Okay, you'll keep yourself busy, like you know, it's been my way when I, after certain things in my life, I made my schedule so busy that the work keeps the mind space occupied, and you have very little time to get into negative space, okay, or hurt or bleed. Okay, so I feel that Scorpion, someone might do that. Okay, some of you guys might be working hard on some project, new assignment, new work. Maybe you this might need collaboration with cross teams. Okay, collaboration with different people with different skill sets. Okay, like teamwork is what I'm seeing over here. Okay, could be a team of three people, need not be, but chances are high. But collaboration is what I'm seeing over here very very strongly. Okay, it's not just like a work of your own one person. It needs different people, different teams coming together to complete this work is what I'm getting. Yeah, that's quite an interesting Scorpions, this reading has been interesting right from pre-shuffling, right? Really, very very, like I said, very very different and unique messages have been coming through for this reading, and the main reading has been no different. Let's pull one timeline message, guys. Let's see when things are going to manifest for you guys, whatever wishes you have or whatever we see happening in this reading. Okay, let's see what the tentative timeline is. Now with timeline cards, I always give this reminder that take it with a pinch of salt. Okay, do not base your judgments, happiness, hopes, sorrows with this message. Okay, just take it as entertainment and just leave it. Okay, do not take it to your heart. That's what I do. Even as a reader also, I just don't take it to my heart, the timelines that are mentioned. So this card has flipped within a month. So the chances of you getting whatever you want within a month. Okay, uh, yeah, like I said, just take this as, take this with a pinch of salt. Do not base your judgments and decisions based on this. Okay, now that we have hit almost half the year, and just how we have just like kind of time hopped and landed ourselves in June. But let's see what lessons our spirit guides want us to learn for the rest of the year. Okay, discipline. I can accomplish what I set my mind to. Such a beautiful card this is. And the Emperor card probably that showed up in your pre-shuffling indicated this only, that you need to be disciplined and you need to show up every day to see the results eventually. Okay, no matter what, tiny baby step towards your goal makes the big difference. Okay, so that's what this card is telling, and it's such a beautiful reminder. This is my favorite deck. Whichever card I pull from this deck, it applies to me, or rather I would say to everybody. These are such beautiful reminders that we have actually forgotten in our or while going through lives. So yeah, thank you angels for this card. It's not just applicable to Scorpions, but I too claim this energy. Okay, wow, beautiful. So Scorpions, I leave it at that. I hope you like the reading, in which case do hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Spread the word, help my channel grow. Okay, I'll see you next month directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.